dues. Respect I earn. A couple bridges got burned, but you live and you learn. I got you chillin', singing songs that I wrote. Papa Duck gon' take the whole month to the Super Bowl. Why they hating on your brother?
Yo, CPA Strength here, back again with my best powerlifting video ever. I go over in this video the first 2 weeks of the Candito 6-week program. Please give this a like, please give it a comment. It will help my video get out there a little bit more. I'm gonna do a lot more powerlifting videos, what I'm eating, etc, etc, etc. If there's a certain kind of video you'd like to see, let me know. I am in quest to be the strongest version of myself that I can be. Hopefully, I'm entering my first powerlifting competition July 5th. So that is 5 months away. It was 6, now it's 5. Shit, time goes by fast. I was there, baby. I seen Jelly Roll 3 years in a row, but missed last summer, dang it. Dang it, man. Yeah, I am in the quest to being the strongest version of myself. I'm trying to go for some records. I'm competing in the USAPL. It's a drug-tested federation. Contrary to your some beliefs, I am drug-free. Shit, WADA could come piss me right now if they want. I'm gonna take after Mark Bell on this, as you know, strength is never a weakness. You're never gonna hear anybody saying, "Oh, I wish I was a little weaker." Being stronger always helps. So, anyways, hope you liked the video. And we'll see you on the next one, man.
Hey, so what's up for this little voiceover portion? Anyways, this is Candito 6-week. This is the first time I've done a powerlifting training done by somebody else. So this is the first 2 weeks were five days a week workout, which is pretty normal. And I've noticed that today I'm doing my 3rd week, and the 3rd week is 4 days a week. So we're doing a little tapering, more weights. So that was first day of squat. Now this is the first time that I'm doing, what is this? This is like 330 or 40. Weight's not that important. This is the first time that I was doing squats and deadlifts on the same day, which makes sense if you're doing a powerlifting training, because a powerlifting competition is squats, then bench, then deadlift. So it's basically like, you know, my workouts, my lower body day workouts. I've been doing two of these a week with squats and deadlifts. So you want to get your body ready for that, then you're just going to throw in a bench. I started pulling Sumo Deadlift a couple weeks ago, where your legs are further out than your arms. And I think my form sucks, but at least I'm watching. Another thing is that I got the balls, whatever, just film all my sets. So I'm filming all my, every time I go to the gym, squat, bench, or deadlift, I'm filming my set. And then I'm watching it at the gym there and seeing how I can make improvements. Now this is another day. I got lazy and didn't film some bench days. I don't know, I was in my feelings or something, whatever. But this is pretty good. I don't like my knee angle that much. Now this is the second lower day. So I'm not sure. I think this was like 365 or something. Look at those hammies, though, boy. Ladies and germs, look at them hammies. Looking good there, son. I've definitely made a lot of tweaks on my sumo, and it's going well. It's a technical lift, so I'm making changes on it all the time. Let's see what we're gonna say. So, you know, a big thing I wanted to say about following a program. I wish I would have done it. You know, I worked out when I was younger, off and on, through high school, and, you know, I got my first weights when I was like 12 or something. Off and on. Basically stopped for like 15, 20 years. No really weight training, because I was doing a lot of drugs. Smoke a lot of that meth. Yeah. then I came back to training seriously about 6.5 years ago, and I wish I would have just, after about 6 months in, I wish I would have just started a training program from somebody else and saved myself a lot of trouble. But you live and you learn. Every other program I've ever done, I always program, and it's that self-doubt, like, should I have done more? Is that not enough? And I only program things I'm comfortable with. So this was great. I'm just following this program to a T and see if I make some gains. Now this is the start of the second week, or the Candito. Candito is notoriously rough for second week. So this was 10 reps. I was supposed to do 10 reps at about 330. That was hard. Now then I think added 5 more pounds, and I do sets of 3 here. 3 reps. Then I rack it and take a minute pause and then do another set. So I had 3 sets of 5 reps with a minute pause in between after I did 10 reps. So this was like, okay, not the worst, not the best, but I wouldn't have programmed something like this for myself. I suggest anybody just start doing some programs. I mean, this is Candito. It's off the internet. The Candito 6-week program. It's kind of old, but I mean, it's decent. I'll tell you what, it's way better than what I programmed for myself. So first of all, get a program. If for some reason you don't think you want to do that, you're stubborn like me, and you don't want to get a program. Oh, I'm sorry. That was 5 sets. 5 sets of 3 reps with a minute in between. Here's the end of that. But yeah, if you don't want to want to buy a program, there's plenty of programs on the internet, and they're going to be better than what you can come up with yourself. If you don't want to do that, if you just want to come up with a program by yourself, come up with a program, track your progress, write a schedule of what you want to do, attack all your body parts, or what you want to do for the week, and just get that. Now this was supposed to be a deadlift variation, 8 reps, but I decided to just do sumo. So I'm trying for this to be my competition stance, the Sumo Deadlift, which is technical, and I never really have done it before. I don't really know if my leverages are good for it or anything. I am going to widen my legs out a little bit more when I hit the gym today. Started the 3rd week today. Very, very excited. Now coming up, we got some El Benche. Bench has always been a poverty lift of mine, but I've been really working on not so much touch and go, although this looks all touch and go. It's like 250 for 8 reps. I've been working on the setup, my leg drive. Now, this was the second lower day. The second lower day in the second week of the Candito 6-weeker. Now this about, like, I didn't know. I looked at my numbers, and I would have never programmed this for me, because I'm like, I can't do this. So this was, I believe, 330 for 10 reps. You're supposed to do as many as you can, up to 10. So it was like, I don't really care unless I die. Like, I'm gonna get these 10 reps. That's just how I am. Like I'm not gonna not do it. Like, I don't know. I'd have to fucking die, really, or break my leg. But I'd still probably finish if I broke my leg. So I had to do that. Then he dropped it by, I believe, 10 pounds. So this is 320. Then I had to do 10 sets of 3 reps with a minute pause in between. So this just about killed me. I pretty much just laid down in the squat rack after I was done. But you know, something like this where I didn't think I could do it, I bucked up, I did it. I was like, man, I can do whatever. So what have I said here? That, you know, if you're not gonna find a, I guess what they call it, like a plug and play Excel or some workout template, you know, make your own template. Say, like, what can you do? Like, before I started this training program, I made my own program up, and I said, okay, I'm going to do these exercises at a certain day. I'm going to do this amount of weight, this many reps, this many sets, and I stuck to it. And I made a lot of gains, and I started feeling a lot better at it. And I did make a video, like a live stream video right before I started this 6-week program. So 2 weeks ago, it was a Monday before I started it, and I was like, I don't know, because I was away from the gym for a little while. I had the holidays, and now I've been getting after it these past 2 weeks. I've been really getting after it these past couple weeks, and I'm feeling really good. Eating clean and all that. So I just hope my numbers will go up. When I started this, I did a little mock meet. Not even really a meet, unfortunately, but like one day I did bench, another day I did squat, another day I did deadlift, but they were spaced out over a little bit. Anyways, I'm going to do like a mock meet day after this 6-week program. Now, what were my numbers before the 6 weeks? It was squat 405, bench 305, deadlift 435. So we'll see if I can get anywhere in the 6 weeks. And yeah, we'll just see. Now, this one, I'm really proud of this one here. This was 240 for max reps. And I'm just banging these out. This was actually Sunday. Usually don't work out Sunday, but this was Sunday. I was banging these out. I got a hot motherfucking 17 reps out of here. So yeah. Just gonna leave you with that, and yeah.